My name is Dr. Jenna Blind, and I graduated from Chamberlain University's DNP program in November of 2019. I had the privilege of walking the stage in Chicago for my graduation just before the pandemic on February 29th of 2020. I decided to pursue a Doctor of Nursing Practice degree primarily because for me, it was more of a when, not a matter of if. I always knew I wanted to reach a doctoral degree in nursing. And I just knew when I read through the curriculum of the DNP program and saw what other DNP prepared nurses were doing in the healthcare field, that that's where I belonged. I began to pursue the DNP degree. I ultimately decided on enrolling in Chamberlain's program primarily because of the reputation the school had. I had spoken to a number of people who had graduated from Chamberlain that had nothing but wonderful things to say about the school. So I enrolled in Chamberlain primarily because of the excellent reputation that the school had. The role of a doctor within the nursing field is a unique one. Typically, they are leaders who are helping others reach their goal, helping set examples, lead complex projects within the healthcare field. That's really my favorite part about being a doctor in the nursing field. When somebody comes to me asking whether or not they should pursue a degree as a DNP at Chamberlain, I say just go for it. Sometimes getting started is the hardest part. But once you get into it, you realize it's a true validation of the knowledge that you have as a nurse, and it really gives you the opportunity to take your career to the next step. As a DNP student in the healthcare systems leadership track at Chamberlain, I had the great privilege of having a project mentor and coordinator, Dr. Beth Marquez, who is now the dean of the DNP program. Dr. Marquez really encouraged me to be innovative, to help lead a complex interdisciplinary group to implement a quality improvement project. And I think my experience leading that quality improvement project really gave me the courage and knowledge to lead future projects in my organization. So I consider the Chamberlain community a family. I've really seen myself grow as a Chamberlain alumni, but I also have been able to mentor future DNPs in the Chamberlain program. And that to me is one of the most rewarding experiences. So my mentorship with Dr. Marquez, as well as the encouragement from my other professors at Chamberlain, has really encouraged me to take opportunities as I'm presented with them. I actually recently became an adjunct professor of nursing at a local bachelor's program for nursing in my community, and I love to mentor new students. I actually had the opportunity to encourage a few of my coworkers recently to apply to the DNP program. So I really feel like giving back to other students who are pursuing a DNP is really fulfilling for me. If I could use one word to describe the culture of Chamberlain, despite it being primarily online, I would choose to use the word enriching. I really feel as though my time with Chamberlain was enriching for me, both professionally, personally, and then I'm able to give back to others as a DNP and help other people see their potential.